brother bonding.
I knew I was gonna do that.
What's going on, guys? As promised, making a little vlog. Staying at Jaden's grandparents' cabin. Should be pretty fun. Should probably start packing. See ya. Thank you.
You can put it behind you if you want.
Alright.
Other stuff, and you can. I've never seen a turtle in this water at all. Jesus Christ. Is that snapping turtle?
Yeah. We made a sign so the guys know where to go. Do you like this tree? Yeah, yeah.
Like that?
Yeah. That thing's not moving.
There's exhaust got butter in there. Irish butter. What was mom thinking?
I have no idea.
She put no ice in here.
Jaden, have you told Grace about the
Oh, okay.
problem?
So, are you more afraid of like mice or spiders?
Ice.
If you're more afraid of mice, you just sleep upstairs. Okay. Well, there's only one bed upstairs, so. Just kidding, Jack. You're sleeping on an air mattress anyway.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
I got you, Grayson.
Also, we're gonna do.
All the cameras are on you, Jaden.
We're going up to Crystal Mountain 1, and it's gonna be freaking fun. Look around.
We got Andrew vlogging.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Did work for 2 hours on Wednesday or Monday. Last Monday. Because then I left for Minnesota. Gosh, this is new. Jack, how much for you to sleep up here tonight?
What?
How much to sleep right there on the air mattress tonight?
I feel like I'm gonna wake up when I'm here.
Huh?
You're the rod.
Are we? Wait, what?
Oh,
Right now?
Yeah.
Oh. Forgot my fishing stuff.
You're gonna like fishing POV visit videos.
Should I?
Part of it was like a loop around where we're going. It's not good. Trust me. If we shoot the air rifle, this is probably where we'll shoot it. We're going that field. Shoot at that target. We'll put a target on it. This is what we're gonna do later. Building these two right here. That one used to be, not really anymore. That one over there. That's where we shoot clay pigeons out of to shoot them with the shotgun. For wood splitting, we do not have to bush hog a field. I don't have to bush hog a field.
Jack
here,
does.
Jack does have to bush hog a field.
Sorry, Jack.
Can I do that?
No.
So you see the big thing that's got a bush hog on the back? And you're gonna have to, it's just mowing basically.
Never driven a tractor in my life.
Well, it's just like a slow car. So.
Well, the hay is freshly baled, so.
If you guys like have an animal or anything, you guys horses, you can bring a bale back if you need. This is the log splitter. These are all the logs we'll be splitting. There's a handle right here, and it goes back and forward, and there's a big chopping blade that, and then someone will put it and they'll Asher? Asher!
Bro's not gonna hear you.
Asher!
Right past.
Oh well.
You gotta go. I gotta go. Like, you guys want to fish? You can. I'm gonna go make sure he's doing the right stuff.
If you want to fish with my pole, you can, Grayson. Neither am I.
Well,
You thinking, boys?
Not ideal, but we can make it work. Trying to find a better spot. That looks pretty good, but I don't know if I'll be able to get back up. I found a way better spot. It's like a little bit down here. The bank is just like really, really steep. I was thinking like right here, and we can use this like tree root as a ladder. That looks safe, right? Made it. All right, using this little fishy.
alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
About to hook him up.
I'm going.
Jack's making a trek down.
My foot is sinking in. Oh, okay, my foot's stuck. Yeah.
It's stuck.
It is.
Do you need help?
It is all in there.
All right, you got it.
Why did you go down like that? I don't know.
All right, first cast of the day.
I'm just that cool that I get to go down like that.
Not great.
I'm good. Okay, stuff on that. Here's your rod.
How big a fish do you think are in here?
I haven't seen a single fish on here.
I see like 5 right now.
You serious?
They're small, but like,
Yeah.
I hope you don't catch a snapping turtle.
I got it.
Oh, okay, good.
Oh, God.
Jack almost got his line caught. I'm switching baits. That thing was kind of weird, and it didn't really swim. I think I'm gonna try this crawdad. All right, got a fish in the same spot. I know that fish wants it. He looked a little small, so I hope he doesn't choke on it, because I didn't bring like the forceps.
Hello. How you going, Jack?
Hey, Asher.
What are you wearing, Andrew?
I got the vlog set up
Wait, is this for your vlog or for his?
for mine.
Wait, you vlog also, Andrew?
Well, this is a first in the series.
In the back.
All right, boys. It's gonna be fun.
Backing up, buddy. You gotta put the wood on here.
I see that. I see that. Getting back. Okay, we're moving again.
We gotta put the wood back here, so he's gotta line her up.
Are we in? Okay. Oh, you okay, Jack? Yeah, it's a teensy bit.
I was on minimum. We did?
What a fantastic fire you built.
Yeah. We fire.
I'm gonna make a s'more now.
I knew I was gonna do that. He slammed his head in the wall.
All right, I just finished my run. Did 9 miles. It's pretty fun. Nice road. Some good scenery. The other guys did a lot further than I did. I think Grayson and Asher did like 12 or 13, and Jaden's doing 15. So once they get back, I'll see what they thought of it. See what the others say when they get back. I think I'm gonna go get some food, definitely some water. And I think once we rest up a little bit, the guys and I are gonna go tubing down the river, which should be pretty fun. Cheers. All right, I think Asher and Grayson are back. Hey guys, how's your run?
Good.
How- Good.
8 miles or 7 miles?
9.
What?
9.
Dang, there you go. We did 12. It was not terrible. Like, we came back and dude, I was just like rolling up the hill. I just learned how to play a full game with you guys. That's awesome. What'd you learn? Gin rummy. Oh, that's fun. That's awesome.
What do you think of the cake?
I think it looks delicious.
What about you, Asher?
What?
What about the cake? You like it?
I haven't seen it. Say it.
Peanut butter does like to stick.
Great cake action.
We're tubing? Yeah. I get it.
College doesn't work well with a closed head injury.
Alrighty, buddy.
Wait, should I take my shoes off here?
Thank you, Grayson.
Just like keep it up a little bit. Well, me and him did.
So guys, hypothetically,
But every time he saw like a waterfall or like any waterfall, he'd go waterfall and say like super loud. It was awesome.
so
Because there were a bunch of them.
So if I have to pee, what am I supposed to do?
I'm about to pee myself.
I just pissed.
Me too. Okay, the water's actually not that bad.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
You want to get leeches on me?
No, there's not leeches here.
There are snakes.
You're right.
Oh, I see it, Grayson. I see it. You go first, though, okay?
I'm gonna break it.
I will fall. I will fall.
You're gonna pop your trunk. No.
Make sure you keep your butt up. Don't sit your butt down. Here we go. Come on. Hey, I got it. Wait, let me pass you.
Dude, look at that. You see that?
I know. Let me pass you. I got the line. I'll catch it.
Whoa!
Grayson, waterfall.
Waterfall! Oh!
I'm taking him. Zach, if you're float or you, I can't remember how you wouldn't. As long as you don't touch me, then I guess you're right. Here, hold this, Andrew.
Oh, I got
I told ya.
That'd be fun.
Oh, that was a good one. I'm going down this now. That's what I was thinking. I thought that's what we took down.
Oh, yeah!
You guys ready? Probably boys, you ready.
There's a rock there.
My butt's up.
Here we go, baby.
Andrew's going backwards. He's a hit. Yeah!
Are those your happy spins?
We're halfway done and we're done with the rapids.
I think it's too shallow here.
That was
Don't say it like that.
What's the thought process behind your...
I always just play with it because it's really fun. When it dries out especially, it's just like fiber.
Oh, that's cool.
And like you squeeze it, you can squeeze it into a little ball and it'll lose all the water. And
You got quite a bit of it.
yeah, I really can't.
Asher getting crafty. How far's it going?
Go to one of them. I'm gonna have to get a bit closer actually. I'm gonna get some more. I'm gonna make this huge. Just like check at them.
Oh God. Oh sweet mama. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby.
Oh, Andrew!
No one would do that to Andrew. I would do that to Andrew.
No, I didn't throw it at you. That was pathetic.
This is scary.
I'm throwing it at Andrew. Help me. Why? Stop.
Oh, he's filming us right now. Hey, he's getting all exclusive footage. You're getting exclusive footage? I'll break the butt. Under? No! I went under.
Yeah, you went under. Your hair's soaking. Your head was in the algae.
You get that?
Unfortunately, I didn't.
Guys are coming up. You're missing all the good clips.
Alright, I'm done with algae.
That's for being done when the algae started hitting you.
Oh! Did you see that?
I saw it.
Come on!
What? Just finished tubing. Super fun. Just waiting for the shower now. I think we're gonna shower and then eat and then probably set off some fireworks. Should be a good time.
Now me and Jack are doing some brother bonding. No, I can't do it. I can't do it.
I'm not convinced.
But that's not what a fire truce is.
We just finished dinner, and after we wait a little bit, I think we're gonna go light the fireworks. Should be pretty cool. All right, we're gonna go down to the fire pit. It's me and Jack walking, and then Jaden's taking the four-wheeler.
But if they wanna, free.
Where's the blowtorch? Oh, there.
Jack's not to be trusted with fire.
Starting it.
I can be trusted. All right. This is the shit.
Got the fire going.
You going?
Got the other boys to join us.
I can't see Jack sit behind me if I hit three.
About to light the fireworks.
Cameraman.
There it is.
Here, now. Fireworks coming. And Jaden. Done.
Oh!
That was awesome.
Nobody took Japan. No one took Japan? Nobody took Japan. I'm gonna get all the way around if I don't.
What?
Popo, I see what you're doing. Okay.